blister jumped off the tower at Cheever. Said mama as he passed around black-eyed peas. Well, Billy Joe never had a lick of sense. Passed the biscuits, please. There's 5 more acres in the lower 40 I got to plow around. And mama said it was a shame about Billy Joe. Billy Joe, he's jumped off the tower at Cheever. Brother said he recollected when he and Tom and Billy Joe put a frog down my back at the Carroll County Picture Show. And wasn't that in the church last Sunday night? Apple pie, you know it don't seem right. And I saw him at the sawmill yesterday up on Choctaw Ridge. And now you tell me Billy Joe, he's jumped off the tower at Cheever. Said to me, child, what's happened to you after time? I've been cooking all morning and you haven't touched a single line. That young teacher, Brother Taylor's up by today. Said he'd be pleased to have dinner on Sunday. Oh, by the way, he said he saw a girl look a lot like you up on that Choctaw Ridge. And she and Billy Joe was throwing something down at Cheever. A year has come and gone since we heard the news about Billy Joe. Brother Mary Becky Thompson, they bombed the store in Tupelo. Well, the fire is going round Papa called and he died last spring. Now Mama doesn't want to do much of anything. And I spend my time picking flowers up on Choctaw Ridge. I throw them into the muddy water of the tower at Cheever.